I absolutely hate when older folks tell time like this. I can ask my daddy right now, what's the time? Guess what he gonna say? Oh, it's 5:45. Just say it's 5:75. Like, don't do too much.
Fuck the plug thing up here. What? What, man?
What you doing?
I'm trying to thing say close, huh? Fuck that microwave. Man, fuck with that goddamn microwave.
You got to put it on what you want to put it on.
I did put it on, so this bitch don't even fucking work. God damn. Now what the start button is? It still say open. What the fuck am I open this for? I can't even open this bitch.
Where your food at?
God damn.
Where your food at?
Up in the damn microwave, nigga. Nice.
Mama, that's a safe.
Fuck, this is a microwave, nigga.